Good afternoon, my name is Eric. I'm going to give you a walk around video of this 1959 Thunderbird Factory J Code 430. Wearing its original paint and interior. Motor was rebuilt approximately 1,000 miles ago. It was a one-owner car up until about 5 years ago. It's always been a Spokane local car. Once again, this is original paint, original interior on a 66,000 mile car. Everything is working in it except the radio. Has a little tear right there and a little one right there. The carpet has been replaced with original style carpet. I believe it was from Thunderbird Plus. The headliner is absolutely beautiful for 61 years old. As well as the paint in chrome. I do have the factory hubcaps and wheels that go with it. We just thought it looked better with the true spokes. I'm gonna open up the trunk for you guys. It was stored until 1968, up until 2005 when it was brought out of storage. Let me rephrase that, 2015 it was brought out of storage. Set this down for a moment. Sorry about that, folks. Here's the original trunk, the original matting. Still in wonderful shape. Very solid and honest car. Has one little scrape right here. Our dent guy wanted to take it out, but I said leave it alone due to its originality. Steering wheel, radio. Very beautiful car. Get you underneath the hood here. All original. And the car runs and drives absolutely excellent. Starts up every time. Goes down the road just like you want it to. I hope this video was helpful. Happy bidding.